Okay, Chapter 3-9 notes is solving proportions. Example 1 is x over 63 equals 2 over 9. And we solve proportions by cross multiplying and dividing. So we're going to do this way. That's 9 times x. And then this way, which is 2 times 63. So we have 9x equals 63 times 2 is 126. Then divide by 9. Divide by 9, divide by 9. And x equals 126 divided by 9 is 14. Example 2 is 65 over 10 equals 13 over x. You're going to cross multiply again. So 65 times x and 10 times 13. So 65 times x is 65x equals 10 times 13 is 130. Divide by 65. Divide by 65. And x equals 2. Okay, example 3. A car travels 180 miles on 8 gallons of gas. How far can it travel on 19 gallons of gas? So when you solve word problem proportions, you keep them in the same order. So it's miles over gallons equals, and on the other side, the other fraction will also be miles over gallons. So the first sentence tells you what to put on the first fraction. A car travels 180 miles on 8 gallons. So that's 180 miles on 8 gallons. The second sentence will tell you where to put the third number. How far can it travel on 19 gallons of gas? So it's talking about 19 gallons, so it goes here with the 19 gallons. And the one we don't know is the miles, so that's x. You're going to cross multiply like you did with the other problems. So 8 times x and 19 times 180. So we have 8x equals 19 times 80, 180 is 30,420. Divide by 8. Divide by 8. And the answer you get is 427.5 miles. So on 19 gallons of gas, the car can go 427.5 miles. Example 4, on a map, 3 inches represents 40 miles. If two cities are 10 inches apart on the map, how many miles apart are they? So on the first sentence it says inches to miles, so we're going to set it up inches over miles. And on the other side, the fraction will be the same, inches over miles. Okay, then you read the first sentence. It says 3 inches represent 40 miles. So 3 inches represents 40 miles. That's for the first fraction. The second sentence says if two cities are 10 inches apart, so that's 10, and it's talking about inches. So the x is the miles. We're going to cross multiply and then divide. So let's see, 3x, and then 10 times 4 is 400. So that's 400 divided by 3, which is 133.3333 miles.